Hello everyone, welcome back again. And I know I am late because I have skipped my Saturday's video because I did not post anything on Saturday. I have enjoyed my Saturday very much, and also Sunday was not worth it. But here is Monday, and I'm going to be posting this video as soon as possible, and just by doing some editing and stuff. Let me just tell you that what I've been learning. Let's come back to the point. So I am currently learning like data structures, as I've already mentioned, and I have reached on the I have reached on the topic which is basically called as time complexity, space complexity, and so on and so forth. So it is like my sixth day right now learning data structures and algorithm, and I have not faced any like great challenges right now. Like I can solve basic stuff and I can do each and everything properly. One thing I want to tell is I am practicing those questions, like whatever the question was on the first video or in the second video. I am daily solving those questions on my regular basis so that I have a good knowledge in it. Also, the second thing I want to tell you guys is I am working on a development project. Like the project name, I don't know what should I keep it, but it basically is uh, taking notes. Okay, it is like taking notes. I know there are many platforms out there. There are many websites out there, web applications out there where you can simply go and write your notes down. But this web application what I'm creating is for my own, and it is basically giving a premium look. Okay, I will be showing two websites, like what I took the inspiration and what I have been making and what I had came across. Okay, now over here one thing I want to tell you is that I basically know HTML, CSS. I already know HTML, CSS and JavaScript, so there was no point of making this in this technologies. But I took a step and I created this project in React. Okay, let me just show you. So let me just open my computer screen and capture the screen. So this is the full screen. Yup, this is the full screen mode, and here you go. Okay, so yeah, here is the memo notepad application which is already present on the web. Over here you can see that I have written some tasks. Okay, let me just copy these tasks and open my application which I have created. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you about myself is that I keep on building projects and I keep on tracking them and storing them inside this beautiful project field. So over here there is a one folder which is called as personal project. Here I have kept all my personal projects. See, API country, card advisor, these are all the projects which I am creating and which I have created. So whatever projects I have created, I push them in the completed folder. And over here you can see that portfolio project, then the subscriber mail here, then the to-do application, then the website. This will be a new website, and here is the node application. So let me just open this application in npm run dev, because this is the script that is used to run this application. Okay, and over here, so basically this is the previous data which was stored, and as this is in the development phase, this is there was no reason to add this button. But I had thought about, okay, this I will tell you later, but I want to tell you that this is the UI of this application over here. And look at these, look at this UI and look at this UI. There is some changes, and then there is some modern look coming on this UI which I have created. Okay, now you might be thinking out on where and how you got the inspiration. I got the inspiration from this website. I actually changed it from this website, and if I just copy and paste this website, then what is the basic reason of creating that website? So what I am doing is I will be offering a theme option. I will be offering an automatic saver application, option, and also I will be offering a database, which I mean the notes what I'm going to type over here is will be storing into the database. Okay, that is my current scenario. The one thing I want to tell you is that I have basically created this design on Figma. Now Figma is a tool where you can easily do your work, or you can easily make sure that the UI, make wireframes or make the UI design of your application. Now over here I also made a UI design of this application, and then only I perform some tasks. Like before creating a project, I usually create a UI of that page and give some comments, give some notes, and then I perform these tasks. So see, as you can see, these are this is basically the prototype. I have to create it, and then I start making this application. Now this was the current development scenario. I already told you about the data structure scenario. Data structure scenario is going good, development is also going good. This is the sixth video. It is March 6, 2023, and this is going to be the third video on this channel where I am talking about all the stuff. Also, let me tell you, also what I have to tell you is that I have my personal portfolio website where I post all the projects. Now this portfolio website is not looking nice at all, but I have to make it good. I actually purchased a domain also, and I have to make it look good. Okay, this is also my side project, and so this was my current scenario. This all was the current scenario of my learning journey, and I am pushing forward and I want to learn more, like how to deploy on GitHub, how can you do more stuff, how can you do CI/CD pipelines on GitHub, how pull request, push request, everything, merge, open source, what do you mean by open sourcing, and each and everything. Okay, I want to learn more and more. And it was easy. Like this application to create, it was easy because I have a good experience in creating dev projects. Okay, and I don't like DSA that much, but I love to do development. So that was, for me, it was easy to create this application. I created this application on today itself. It was created today itself, and it is basically easy. Also, I am using local storage over here. Let me just show you. Okay, you can see the key value of local storage is key content, and the value over here is the notes that I'm taking. Now what I want to do more is I want to add in the new note functionality, and then do something with the save to DB, or you can say auto save functionality. Okay, and also there is a built-in rich text editor. You can see I will give some instructions like, hey, you can edit this by pressing the Ctrl+B, by pressing the Ctrl+I, which will make it italic, underline, everything is over here. Okay, all of this stuff are built inside this, and yes. Okay, so I'll sum up and I will round up everything. I will prepare the thumbnail, I will merge this audio and video with it, and guys, this is it. I will be so let us see. Okay, let's meet on the new video, and I will be sharing my beautiful progress on there.